Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today I want to talk about the Dr. Scholl's Memory Fit Massage Gel Advanced Insoles. Before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon if you want to be notified of new videos, and really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Okay, today's special product is the Dr. Scholl's Memory Fit with Massaging Gel Advanced Insole. A little bit on the market, I guess, from this product. But overall, I had Dr. Scholl's for a long time. I had tried different brands and stuff like that, even generic ones, and these seems to work the best. Pros and cons a little bit. The product is not cheap, all right? So it's under $20. So that's still pretty expensive for the con, I guess. There's a men's and women's one. There's different sizes. The only thing different. This is 8 to 14. It comes one pair. Of course, it has a memory gel and added layer of memory foam, and you customize it to your needs. That's all I'm trying to say over there. And it's great if you walk a lot and you're on your foot a lot, So it really is a great added comfort to your shoe. So no matter if you had working boots, casual shoes, or sneakers, it's super simple to do. You do need a scissor to customize it. Yes, Dr. Scholl's does offer a 90-day money-back guarantee, but you need to they ask for complete satisfaction, or you can retain the packaging or the original sales receipt and visit their website, and they offer you money back. There is a 800 number, so you could call if you have questions and concerns. And just take a look at this product over here. So the different types of plastic on the back near the heel. See, this one's a little bit harder, this one's a little bit softer a little bit, so there's different comfort level. So they spend a lot of time and money developing this product, you could tell. It's not one of those cheap ones, and there's a lot of knockoffs. So you push a little bit here, the top part is memory foam. So it comes back. That's how memory foam, and of course memory foam doesn't last forever. Keep that in mind. Memory foam only lasts generally about 6 to 7 months or so, then that's it, right? So in this case, you actually get to replace this thing. I think the size and the comfort is really worth the money. On this one, on all these, you could customize it. I cut it 11 already. Of course, I don't cut the oval that nice, but it's 11. It goes up to 13, by the way, for those folks who want to cut. You can cut up to 13, but the shoe fits up to 14. So overall, it's 14 if you don't cut it. If you cut it, you can cut it to 13, right? How easy it is to take it out, the insole of your shoe. So I have ASIC, it's a brand new shoe. You just pull it out. So I pull one of them out for you to look at. It's not like anything wrong with these. It's just like, hey, I want an extra cushion, especially if you exercise and run a lot. It feels nice, right? So you just pull it out like that. And thank you for ASIC for not gluing it to the shoe. Some manufacturers glue it. You can't take it out. That's a bummer. So that's something to note. So all you need to do is slip it in after you cut it. So there is a little work involved. Maybe it's a con if you don't do any work. It's not custom fit, but it's definitely very comfortable. So that's the pro of the product. It's a very good product, and it's worth the money in my opinion because I used it. This is the first time I used this one. Once you put it in, look, it's not too narrow. Both sides fit. And my shoe is a 4E already. Keep that in mind. So it's extra wide already. So the comfort level is going to be there from a brand new shoe with a comfortable insole. It's very important to have a good insole. And, that's pretty much the video. And one more thing. On these, they only come in one color, unfortunately. So I don't see any other colors that come out. And that's the product. Hopefully you like the video surprise of the day. I really appreciate a thumbs up. If you have any comments to help others, please post it below. And I see you next time. Bye.